Both Anna 13 Days Awake in India. But as we welcome Mr. Kher, I'd also like to share with you, he has received critical and commercial success had in decades. Well-known Hindi journalist Ashutosh weaves together the story of the 13 days that changed India. He had a ringside view of the developments, stationed as he was at the Ram Leela grounds in New Delhi, the venue of the fast, and had intimate access to the... Thank you so much, Ashutosh, for making it possible, firstly the book and the event for us this evening. Let's take it forward, not taking much time from all of you. Thank you for staying here with us and joining us very specially for the launch of the title. I'm going to invite Mr. Kher along with the author Ashutosh to kindly get your hands on the cover. Let's unwrap and unveil Anna 13 Days That Awaken India. Members of the media, I do hope you're well stationed. Thank you so much for joining us this evening. Here presenting to you Anna 13 Days That Awaken India, published by HarperCollins and authored by Ashutosh. Congratulations, Ashutosh, for that. India, lots more to find out, and very shortly we'll be in conversation with our very special guests at the table. Those of you who have just joined us, we invite you to kindly make yourself comfortable at the chairs. Firstly,
it's really my privilege and my honor to be here with Anupam Kher and all of you, and somebody who has never written a word in English. So you all must be wondering that all through my life I was a Hindi journalist, and still I'm managing editor of an IBN 7, which is a Hindi news channel. And though I write my columns on every week, one in Dainik Hindustan, that's one of the most circulated newspaper in northern India, as well as Dainik Bhaskar, which is the #1 newspaper in India. Every week, alternate. So even I was wondering, when I finished the book, even I thought that it's me who had done the book. It all started on 28th, when the Anna has broken his fast, and 28th intervening night between 28th and 29th, when I woke up around 4 in the morning, and suddenly I realized last day I had worked more than 20 hours. I was very, very tired. I slept very late despite being tired. And again I got up by 4:30 in the morning. There's something wrong with me. In that dead of night, suddenly I realized that the thought came that I'd seen so much about Anna movement, I should write something. And just, you can say it, intuition or maybe whatever, just it clicked to my mind, I should write a book. And immediately I woken up my wife, and I thought that she will be very, very irritated. She should be very, very angry with me. This is no time to wake her up and seek advice that I want to write a book. But fortunately she was very, very understanding wife, so she said, okay, please. Maybe she wanted to just go back to sleep faster. So that's how the idea came. And during the movement, I think in my entire journalistic career, this was one incident which is really shaking. Because I had seen VP Singh's movement, the Bofors movement, then I had seen Ayodhya movement, and also seen the anti-reservation movement. But this was one movement which for many, many reasons was very, very unique and exceptional. And I think once the history of India will be written after 30 years, 40 years, when the academician will go down, they will realize how a movement, how come this movement